Hey guys, look at this angel trumpet. Oh my word, look at all this beautiful flower it's throwing off. It has almost more flowers than it does leaves. Seems to be happily situated in its pot. I have it in this little pot right now, and it needs to be watered literally constantly from morning to evening time. But if you give it enough water, look at how much flower it throws out at you. I can't even describe. This is such a wonderful statement in the garden. I am loving the way it looks. This is the first year it's in this pot. As you know, it was really stressed during the winter time with that cold snap that we got. Everything died back, but the angel trumpet generally does die back. I wasn't sure if it was going to make it though, but I did keep it indoor, and you can see it is thriving. I have another one just across this archway. It has some flowers on it, but it's not as prolific as the other one. But it's still doing really good over here. So they both really are enjoying their spot. But look at this, all these blooms I have down here that are fully open. Isn't that beautiful? And then I have all these new blooms that are still coming, and even more still in the pod. I did give it a little bit of fertilizer, but for the most part, I just put chicken manure in there. It does stink a little bit, but as it slowly dissolves through, the smell isn't so bad after that. The flower has a sweet fragrance. Usually you can tell in the evening time. For some reason, in the evening time is when it throws out the smell the most. And if you just walk by it, it just gives you this really soft fragrance, and you just look around to see what plant it is. And as you get closer, you'll realize it's these angel trumpet. In the daytime, I mean, you have to get really close to smell it, but in the evening time, it's just so intoxicating, just the smell of it. Definitely a plant that is worth getting if you want to get one. But just look at it. It's so beautiful, and it makes such a statement in the garden. I have others that are planted into the ground, but they are not as healthy as these ones in the pot. I have one over there and a couple more you can see. Let me see if I can zoom in over there. The pink one that I had a variety of didn't seem to do as well this year as previous year, so I think I'm going to give it a little bit of extra TLC just to see how it'll do. I'm going to start taking cutting now that it is fall time. Take some cutting from these plants. Sorry, I'm going to zoom back out now. Hopefully it doesn't get you guys all dizzy. But definitely going to take more cuttings and propagate them because they're so beautiful. So beautiful in the garden. And that is it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a blessed day, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye, everybody.